Guess what, guys? You have been asking for something for years. Low density hair systems, and your boy delivered. Your boy delivered. He went out to war, he fought all the pigs, he slaughtered the bears, and he brought you back some leather pelts. There is low density systems that are out now, and I am super excited to talk about it with you guys today. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what Lavivid is doing right now with all of these thinner density systems down at 80 to 85%. I'm going to walk you through if they're right for you, all that kind of stuff. Guys, so this has been something I've been working on for probably like the past 6 months with Lavivid. I obviously you're probably in the Reddit hair system. That's the Reddit that I own. It's down in the description below. You should join it if you're not there. It's a great place to, get advice and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, in that, right, people are constantly asking for low density systems. Here on YouTube, people are constantly asking for low density systems. So what did I do? I went to Lavivid and I said, hey, this is being asked for. The people want it. The people need it. They gotta have it. And after talking with them for some time, I finally convinced them to actually do a run of low density systems to see how they sell. So this is kind of like my little baby. So obviously I wanted to succeed, but further than that, these are amazing. Right now, all of like the Cruis is actually from Lavivid is usually 130% density or 110. I can't remember. The Aries is usually heavier. This Samoas is usually a heavier density unit. Now we have some options that are 80 to 85% stock. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, because before in the past, if you wanted an 80 to 85% density unit, you had to either order custom or you had to thin down a unit and it wasn't meant to be 80 to 85% density, but we cut it down. Our Lavivid cut it down. And now what's happening is they're actually making them. So it's actually cheaper for you to get these lower density systems than it was in the past. So this is really exciting from like a money saving perspective, but also from just a how does it look type perspective. It's also exciting as well. We also have the Mars, which can actually be an 80 to 90% density unit. So this is a graduated hairline. The Sanders, that is a 95% density unit, and the Eros is a 90% density unit. These are the units well, Mars is new. Sanders and Eros have been around for a while, but these right here are brand spanking new. And for the time being, they do have a like limited inventory of colors. So if you are in the obviously the 1B10, 2, or 4 category, you're in luck, right? You can give these bad boys a try. If you're not in that camp, well, you might have to wait a little bit of time. But oh, look at that. The Aries actually has a 6 available in it. And then let's look at the Samoas. Let's see if there's a different color here. So 1B, 110, 2, and 4. So that's the primary stock right now. Why? Because those are the biggest colors that sell. That's the largest, sellers. So if you do have these colors and you want to try a darker or a lighter density system, you got to do it. You got to give it at least a run for your money. So who are these things good for? These systems are really good for people that are definitely from more of a European descent or maybe a little bit older. Why? If you're from European descent like moi, right, your hair density naturally is thinner than somebody that's from, say, India or Asia, right? The amount of hair, like the density that you have, or another way to say that is how many hair follicles you have in a square inch or centimeter, is less than somebody that is from India or Asia. They have more hairs per surface area than us. So because of that, our hair naturally looks thinner. Also, that goes alongside that is the actual diameter of the hair follicle, or not the follicle, but the hair shaft itself. So that's why European hair will always look the best on people that are from European descent, because it's actually it's a thinner diameter hair shaft than Indian hair and or Asian hair, which is generally considered the thickest hair shaft. It's a really weird gesture to be doing right there. So these will look more appropriate for you if you're from European descent. What about if you're older? Same thing. As we age, our hair does tend to get thinner. That looks a little bit more natural. Some of us are blessed to have incredible hair, super thick hair our entire lives, but it's a low percentage of us. People like Brad Pitt, right? That's not the average Joe and what they get to experience. Most of the time, you'll see that hair starts to thin as we get into our 30s and our 40s and 50s, right? So these will have a much more natural look for you as you continue to age. So this can extend that believability factor if you're somebody that's a little bit older. So, this stuff is really exciting, guys. I really encourage you to give them a try. And another reason that I encourage you to give them a try is because when we see companies that are doing this, right? Like I mean, I've been working with Lavivid for a while now in terms of trying to give them advice and tell them what to do, and they're starting to listen more. We need to like reward the companies that are listening, right? We have like the Zeo technology to make it antibacterial and stuff. We need to reward that because that's innovation that's making our experience with the product better. And we have to reward companies that are pushing forward, because the more money that we give them, the more they're going to reinvest, the more that they're actually going to update. As long as we use our voice, as long as we actually keep charging forward, which is what I'm trying to do for you guys. So I highly encourage you to go out, get one of these units, try it, post in the subreddit, all of that kind of fun stuff, okay? So if you do want one of these systems, I'll put a link down below. Till next time, see you guys.